talk a little bit about resistance tubing. It's another way to do great exercises to strengthen your muscles. It also improves your body composition, but the great thing about resistance tubing is that it's inexpensive and it's portable. You can take it with you. If you're going on vacation, it can go in your bag. It's really small and it's easily stored anywhere in your house. It's great for all fitness levels. If you're thinking about purchasing a resistance band, there's 3 different levels. Usually, if you're a beginner, it's important that you start with a light resistance band. As that one becomes easier, you can move up to a medium, which is this one. It's a little bit thicker tubing. The most advanced and highest resistance is going to be a high resistance band. If you've worked with resistance before, it might be a good idea to start with a medium resistance. A medium resistance is actually great for all fitness levels. If you've never used resistance tubing before, it's important that you realize this is different than lifting weights. When you're using weights, usually it's a little bit harder at different points throughout the exercise. Whereas when you use tension, there should be resistance throughout the entire range of motion for the exercise. So it's hard the whole time. What you're going to be doing with resistance, because it's not as heavy as a weighted load like dumbbells, you're going to be doing more reps and more sets. So if you're beginning, it might be a good idea to start with about 2 sets of 20 to 30 reps. If that's too easy and you don't feel the burn, you can bump it up to 4 sets of 20 to 30. You can always add more reps as well. The biggest concerns with one of these is that it might become worn towards the middle. So before you start your exercise, you always want to check the tubing to make sure that there's not any wear or any holes. So you're going to want to run your fingers along the tubing just to make sure that there's no wear. You don't want it to snap while you're exercising. Most often that's not a problem, but just to be safe, you might want to check it.
For more information, visit your local extension office or the Walk Kansas website at www.walkkansas.org.